Morning, everybody. I'm Yogeshwar Vashisht, and the market is continuously rising up for the last many days. And a lot of IPOs are also coming. So let's start by analyzing the market. I'll also tell you what are the stocks that are very expensive and what kind of opportunities are there that I am utilizing to make money, and what are the algo trading ideas that I'm executing right now. So let me share my screen. Okay, so if we see here now in this is the market. Let's start by looking at the market. This is the initial market. And if we look at the last 5 days, let's say a 5-day, 10-minute chart, we have a market that is continuously moving up. See, this is a continuously up moving market for 3 days. And here there was a correction, but it moved up, and we have this gap that is unfilled. So this is an unfilled gap. This is a unfilled gap that the market is, and market has a habit of filling all the gaps. If you see here, this was a gap the market left unfilled, and we see the market came down, filled the gap, and moved up. So this is one unfilled gap. Whether market fills it today or tomorrow, we don't know. But one thing I know is if you look at the size of the candles now, candles are no more big. They are not large range candles anymore. They are more of small range candles. The small range candles normally come at the end of the move. And if I'm looking at this daily chart of Nifty here, so daily chart of Nifty is very much in an uptrend. And if I look at the trends into this one, so here if you see, the trend is very strong. There is nothing that is not strong into this. But if I open it up and look at another indicator for divergence, then I'll add a MACD in this. I'll add a MACD with a histogram. And if you see this here, and we say MACD is also confirming the uptrend for the movement. So uptrend is intact in this. But it is also a fact that the market is expensive. And some of the stocks that I filtered today, which are on a very expensive side, are Bharti Airtel, HDFC Bank, IEX, MCX, and Nestle India. So these were the stocks that I have zeroed out, and there are some trades that I've already executed on this here. If you see here, this is a trade of Torrent Pharma, 3460 call right that I've just executed. And if you look at the market, this is the market profile of the market, which for the moment is saying market is trying to be trending, but might become sideways. Now, if I look at the overall strength of the market, see, this is Torrent Pharma, where the bearishness is very evident. But if I look at Nifty, Nifty is bullish. Bank Nifty is also bullish. Then Fin Nifty is more or less balanced, and mid-cap Nifty is where a little selling has started coming here. So be cautious. This is also the time when IPOs are coming. If I look at the main dashboard, there is a Manba Finance Limited IPO that is coming. It will close tomorrow. So I was doing a review of this Mamba Finance IPO. So it is relatively strong company in the NBFC space, non-banking financial companies. They are into loans, and loans for electric vehicle, personal loans, small business loans, primarily in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. And the financial performance has been good. Revenue growth is at 44%. The ROI is more than 21% into this. And if we look at the main metrics in this here, I was doing analysis. So in 22, the net profit was 9 crores. 23 becomes 16 crores, and 24, 31 crores. So consistently growing. The only thing that I saw in this a little expensive was the price to sales ratio. So I would love to go for it, but more for listing gains. And after that also, it looks like a relatively strong company that you can look at. And I have these algos going on of mine. I have a DS Nifty BTST income, which is a Nifty ATR based triangle. This is the 3 overbought stocks that I've sold. Then this is my big trade P Nifty future breakdown. What is this? This takes into account the futures of top 8 most expensive stocks having a P more than 90. And they are shorted only when the Nifty goes below the first 5-minute candle. The results are pretty encouraging. And I also have one more strategy, Nifty BSC timeless and mid-cap Nifty. So this is my market analysis, guys. And we see Nifty today is more of a selling pressure it is having, and we have a spinning top getting formed. Keep your eye on the first 5-minute candle. See here, this is the first 5-minute candle, which was a dragonfly. And it tried to break up, but we see it has not broken on the upside, and some selling pressure is there. So I'll be cautious, and I'll be looking for selling opportunities in overbought stocks and indices. Thank you very much. I'll see you in one more session.